Hi children, today's video class I will discuss block 16 length. In length meters and centimeters. Length, you just look the my textbook. So what is the length? How you measure? Using ruler or hand span. This is hand span. How to measure? This is one span. Okay. So this line and any other instrument? Yeah, tap is the tap, ruler, everything we are used for measuring length. Today we are going to learn about how to measure the length and how to convert meter to centimeter. That like questions we are doing here. So take your notebook. What is length? The longest side of an object. Longest side of an object is called length. Okay. Length means longest side of an object. Length means the longest side of an object. Okay, we can do some problems. Take your notebook. So, here one pencil is there. Take your pencil and measure this pencil using hand span. Hand span, not span, hand span and ruler. So I take my pencil and measure here. Just look the one hand span is there. One hand span. And take ruler and measure it. That you know that. How to measure. Okay. Clear? So, in your textbook some questions are there that we can do now. Next converting centimeter to meter. Next is converting centimeters to meter. Centimeters to meters. Write the first question. Fill in the centimeter. Fill in the centimeters. Fill in the centimeters to make it equal to the sum. Fill in the centimeters to make it equal to the sum. Dash centimeter plus dash centimeter plus dash centimeter plus dash centimeter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 4 dashes are the, you want to make, this is 100 centimeter. How you? One is here 20 centimeter, here 30, 25, 25. This is also 100 centimeter. Another method. Here you can write 25 centimeter plus 25 centimeter plus 25 centimeter plus 25 centimeter. Okay. Another method 10 plus 50 centimeter plus 25 centimeter plus 25 centimeters. That you can choose your own way. Okay, clear? So total we needed 100 centimeter. Total we needed 100 centimeter. It's clear? Next, second question. Convert centimeters to meters. Convert centimeters to meters. Question A, 600 centimeter. B, 900 centimeter. C, 400. That some changes are there, that also centimeter. Okay. And D, one more question you want to write, 400 meter. So anyone knows the meter scale? In meter scale, how many centimeters are there? Yeah, it's 100 centimeter made 1 meter. That means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then 2 meter is equal to how much centimeter? Very good, 200 centimeter. How you get? Yeah, you want to multiply with 2 into 100. 2 into 100 is 200. Then 5 meter is equal to, what is the value of 5 meter? How much centimeter? Yeah, 5 into 100, 500 centimeter. So 500 centimeter we can make. That's 2 zeros we will cancel, but you get 5. That much meter. So here 600 centimeter. So how many zeros we want to cut? 2 zeros. When we are removing that 2 zeros, what do you get? 6. So 6 meter. 600 centimeter we can make 6 meter. Here 900 centimeter. How many zeros? Yeah, 2 zeros. What is remaining? 9. 9 meter. Here 400 centimeter. When we are removing these 2 zeros, 4 meter. Then 400 meter, that's equal to 400 meter. In your textbook, one question is there 400 meters, so I just include this question. Clear? How to convert centimeter to meter? Yeah, just remove that 2 zeros. Last 2 zeros we can cancel. You will get the meter. Okay. Next, third question. Convert 987 centimeter into meter and centimeter. Meter and centimeter. 987 centimeter into meter and centimeter. Okay. 987 here. In the previous question I told you, just remove 2 zeros, you will get the meter. But here there is no zeros. What we do? Yeah, you want to convert these numbers into the multiple of 100 and plus remaining number. So 987 we can write 900 plus 87. 987 we can write 900. 900 is the multiple of 100 and 87. 900 plus 87 we can write 900 plus 87. Is clear? Then 900. This is centimeter. 987 centimeter. We can write 900 centimeter plus 87 centimeter. 900 centimeter plus 87 centimeter. Then 900 centimeter means how much meter? Yeah, remove that 2 zeros, 9 meter. Then 87 centimeter. So 987 we can write 9 meter and 87 centimeter. Okay, clear? 987 we can change the number into 900 plus 87. Then 900 centimeter means 9 meter, then 87 centimeter. We can do some more problem. Okay, write the question. So, second question. I think fourth question, fifth question. So, do this problem. Fourth question. 348. We can write 300 plus 48. So, 348 centimeter. We can write 300 centimeter plus 48 centimeter. In 300 centimeter, how you convert meter? Yeah, remove that 2 zeros. 3 meter and 48 centimeter. So 348 we can write 3 meter and 48 centimeter. You can do remaining two problems around. After doing only you want to check your answer here. Okay, finish? Okay. Fifth question. 408. 408, how you write? 400 plus 08 or 8. So, 408 centimeter we can write 400 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. 400 centimeter, how you get? 400 centimeter you want to convert it to meter. Yeah, 4 meter and 8 centimeter. All are got this answer? Those who are not getting, you please correct now. Next is sixth question. $799. 799, how you change? 700 plus 99. 799 centimeter we can write 700 centimeter plus 99 centimeter. 700 we can write 7 meter and 99 centimeter. You got this answer? Okay. Okay, dear children, today we are discuss how to measure the length and also how to convert centimeter to meter. I hope all are clear this. Do all problems from your workbook. Have a nice day. Thank you.